welcome to my channel. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. Hit the bell button so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Now I know you guys are probably like, girl, where's your makeup? Okay, I don't have any makeup on today because today we're actually going to be testing out a new product. So definitely go ahead and subscribe down below and comment down below, how has your year been going? What are you gonna be doing for, you know, the holiday season that's coming up, you know? And do you need any gift ideas? Because I think this is actually going to be a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful gift idea. Okay, so this is the Derma scrubber that I got in the mail. And it comes in a very simple packaging, very simple box, nothing too extravagant. Derma scrubber face skin cleansing scrubber, okay? In addition to the Derma scrubber, you're also going to receive a carrying case, which I find helpful because whenever I travel, because me and my husband love to go to just the beach. We love to do all sorts of things. We love to just go get random hotels. We live in Florida, so we really randomly love to go around Florida, getting hotels and just enjoying the scenery. So when we do that, I need travel things, and this is perfect, absolutely perfect, so that I don't have to carry around this box and things aren't just moving around. So inside of your little carrying package here, which came in pink for me, you're also going to get 2 of the additional scrubber pieces with your package. Now this kit is going to help to deep cleanse your skin, and it's going to minimize the appearance of pores, okay? Okay, so it does have a charging cable. It comes with a charging cable, and it also comes with instructions, which are great to have, as well as the device. And I'm just trying to pull it up out of here. And this is what it looks like when you receive it. It does have the power button, and also it has a little top here. So this is actually how you'll get it and how it'll look when you receive yours. Okay, and then of course it does have the additional attachments that you can place on here, and I suppose you can use those in different ways. So when you get your Derma scrubber, it is definitely going to help you to deep cleanse your skin, as well as minimizing the appearance of pores. It's going to enhance nutrient absorption and effectiveness of your products that you use. It's also going to encourage natural collagen production and cell renewal. It's going to increase blood circulation, and it restores a healthy, youthful glow, which we all love. This is going to help to lift, tighten, and sculpt mature skin. This is perfect for normal, oily, or dry skin, sensitive types as well. Like I was saying earlier, when you get it, this is what it looks like. It is going to have a little cap, as well as 2 of the attachments here. It is going to have 4 modes. The first mode is cleansing, lifting, ion positive, and ion negative. So obviously when you are cleaning with your Derma scrubber, this is going to effectively clean your facial pores. In the lifting mode, this is going to stimulate the regeneration of collagen and tighten the skin. In the ion positive or ion negative mode, this is going to help your skin to absorb the nutrients that may come from your products, or, you know, whatever you're putting on your face, by removing grease from the skin, okay? Any grease, oil, or anything like that on the surface of the skin, this is going to remove that. So obviously, you know, this is going to help you in several different ways. It is definitely a tool that you can use on a daily basis. So mine needs to charge, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up, and I'm just gonna take the charging cable that it comes with, and I'm going to allow this to charge, and it just goes right down here at the bottom. You're going to insert that, and as you can hear it has a little beep. So it had a little beep, and it's lighting up, and it's letting us know that it is charging. I'm gonna let this charge for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and give it a try. So I did go ahead and wash my face, and then you want to turn the scrubber on. And for cleaning, it has specific directions. You can hear that sound. So it does have specific directions. So for face cleaning and care, you want to simply put this on your face, and move in the upward position after you have washed your face for the cleaning process. Oh yeah, and I can feel this working. So if you've got like pore issues or blackheads or anything like that, this is certainly going to work. And then of course, you want to move down in this direction. Oh, let me do that properly. And you can see a little bit of stuff in there too. Yeah, you can see a little bit of that stuff in there too. Now when you're cleaning this off, you do want to use a cloth or like something like that, or like a cotton swab or something like that. And then for the forehead, you can go either way. You can go left or right. Oh man, I can feel that really getting into my skin and pores. And I'll also show you guys this way as well. Okay, yeah, that's really getting in there. The next thing is for the nose. For the nose, it's showing going up in the upward position. And it's probably, oh yeah, that nose is getting it. It's getting it in on that nose, huh? And yeah, you can just see in there, it's just getting all sorts of little gunk out. And so what you will notice is that when you are using it on a different mode, it does have a different pulse. Oh yeah, so it's going with the lifting mode. Oh yeah. You can just see all of the facial issues, pores, oil, grease that are really showing up on this. So if your face is inflamed or broken out or something like that, then you don't want to use this at that time. Wait until your skin clears up or until your face clears up before you do use this. If you are trying to get the nutritional value out of the products that you use, or even if you're using, you know, food on your face like avocado or anything like that, then you would want to clean the face with water, steam the face with hot spray, facial vaporizer for 5 minutes, or apply a wet towel to the face, then apply the nutrition essence. Press the third gear to shift to the fast negative ion import, okay? So you'll want to use the negative ion import if you are trying to get the nutritional value from your products. And then if you want to deep export, then you will clean the face with water, steam face with hot, vaporize for 5 minutes, and then you will put this on the ion positive mode as well. When you want to do cleaning, obviously you're going to use this on the cleaning mode and so on and so forth. Every time you use this, you obviously want to clean this off because you are going to be really cleaning, getting some deep pore cleaning on your skin. So you don't want any old, gunked up mess from the past, you know, being pushed into your skin. So you really want to make sure that you clean this off with a cotton swab, maybe a little bit of alcohol, or you know, something to clean this off, and make sure that it's clean prior to using it each time. So if you are interested in trying the Derma Scrubber, then you'll definitely want to click the link down below. Once again, this is really going to help you to deep clean your skin, minimizing pores and the appearance of pores. It's going to encourage the nutrition absorption and effectiveness of your products, whatever it is that you're using. It encourages natural collagen production and cell renewal, which is extremely what we need and what we want. It increases blood circulation and restores healthy skin and a healthy, youthful glow, which we all definitely want. And I've got to say, when I use this, I definitely can feel this 100%. I totally believe that if I continue to use this product, that it's going to definitely help me to get back a youthful glow, as if I don't have one already. But I definitely know that this is going to help me get that youthful glow or keep that youthful glow. It's certainly going to help me to deep cleanse the skin. Just by using it one time, I can feel a difference in my skin. I know that by using this every day, that this is going to be really, really great for my skin. It's going to be something that I can continue to use on a daily, regular basis, and I can see that there are going to be some amazing benefits from it as well. Once again, you can use this with any skin type. If you have normal, oily, combination, it doesn't matter. Any skin type can use this, even if you have sensitive skin. It feels really good. My skin feels softer, so I'm super excited to use this once again. Once again, click on the link down below in the description box. Get this product right now. You're going to love it. I love it personally, and I've only tried it one time. I'm gonna keep using it, and I'm gonna come back with a review to let you guys know after I've used it several times how I really feel about this product. But for now, if you're interested in, or if you already know the benefits of this product, why not get it? Click the link in the description box, order yours today. This is actually going to be a great gift if you know somebody who loves skincare. Great gift, okay? So anyway, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. I was super excited to give this a try. It's a great product. I'm super excited to continue to use it. I will share reviews with you in the future. So if you want to see those reviews, definitely subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.